take some big first steps with the sit-to-stand learning walker from VTech. Floor play, walking support, and hands-on activities make this more than just a walker. With so many ways to play and interactive elements, kiddos can grow into walking and take fun in learning on the run with this durable 2-in-1 easy-to-move walker. Start with the removable play panel for floor play fun with a barnyard of animal friends and a variety of activities for little ones.
Welcome to our learning farm. We have lots to show you.
Let kiddos explore spinning rollers, turning gears, and shape sorters with light-up buttons to teach them about shapes, animals, colors, and numbers. Play along with the colorful piano keys to hear music, or enjoy role-play fun with a pretend phone.
Ring-a-ling.
This stable, speed-controlled walker has sturdy wheels that work on both carpeted and hard floors and is equipped with 2 settings that help your baby develop from a crawler to a walker. Celebrate little moments and big milestones for growing babies with the Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker from VTech.